Hazrat Abu Salama bin Abdul Rahman states that Hazrat Abdullah bin Umar radiyallahu anhu said, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam came to me and said, haven't I been informed of you that you always observe standing vigils at night and fast at day? I submitted, yes, of course. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, don't do so, but observe standing vigil at night and sleep as well. Observe fasting and omit it as well. For your body has a right over you. Your eye enjoys a right on you. Your guest exercise a right on you. Your wife has got a right on you. Soon you will become old, so it is enough for you to keep 3 days fast every month, as the reward of every good deed is tenfold. So it will be equivalent to lifelong fasting. He states that he put himself in privation, so he was put in trouble. So I submitted, I feel myself fit enough to observe more than that. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam thereupon said, observe 3 days fasting every week. He said, I wished an increase in it, so it was increased for me. I then again submitted, I feel myself fit enough to observe more than that. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam thereupon said, observe Allah's Prophet Hazrat David's fasting. I submitted, what is Hazrat David's fasting? He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, keeping fast on alternative days. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 6134.